So now I have to draw my windows. It is also easy. Let's take line for example. We can go to this side, and I know that the distance is 44. Enter, and down this place where I can put my window. Offset 19. And now the windows inside are offset 1 millimeter from this point to this point. Enter. And now I can trim my lines I do not need anymore. Enter. So in this case I have got my windows. The same I can do here, but also I can copy these windows to this place. How I should do it? I have to take a copy tool, and I have to select all lines I want to copy. This line, and this line. Enter. It's agreement. And now I have to take a point, base point, with what I will to connect my window to the other wall. Let's click. And now as auto mode is on, it's quite easy to move down, and you can see that this or snap point is right there at that place where I want to connect my window. Click, and that's all. So in this way we have two similar windows. If it is necessary here to do that, we can just copy them, and then otherwise all other window I will draw by myself where I will have to draw. The next window is here, so the distance of this window is 7. I have select point 7, enter, this point, enter, and the window is 12, offset 12, enter, and let's offset window again. Select 1 to that direction and to this direction. Let's trim our windows. So we have window. The next step is I have to put a door. The distance offset is 24 from this place line to this direction, and this is 9. We will insert our door later. The next window is 14. Enter, this direction. The distance between this window is number 6. Offset, I can take 6, enter, from this point to this. And windows again, offset 1, enter. I will trim everything I do not need anymore. Okay, I have windows, and I need some windows here also. Distance is 10. Offset number 23, and offset again number 1 from this point to this point, and I can delete with a trim. As I showed you earlier, I can copy this window right this place it have to be. Let's take copy. Let's select these lines. Enter. We have to click exactly that point where we connect to the other window. Click, enter. That's all. And let's draw other windows. That's all. So, and the simple way to put our dimensions on is take a dimensions, and let's put our dimensions on. You can see how easy we can do that. And if we want, we can fill a hedge into our house plan. Let's take a hedge and let's select solid. Let's choose a color, black. Let's pick point and we can see enter, enter. Now we have got a house plan. Let's find out how to draw a door sign here. We have to choose a wall layer. We have to turn our auto mode on and we have to take line. Let's draw an opened door. Let's take the first point, let it be 9, enter. Here it will be 0.5, enter. Here it will be 9 again, enter, enter. The next step, we have to take a circle. Let's click here and let's drag till this point. Click. Now we have to move our door to that point we want it to be. Let's take move, select all, enter, and it is necessary to catch a special point, this point, and let's move to this point. Click. Now we have exactly that place where we want our door will be. Now we have to delete these lines we don't need anymore. Let's take trim, let's select all, enter, and let's delete these lines. Enter, let's delete this line, take line and let's close this point. So now we have our simple house plan. We can take dimensions and we can put some more dimensions on. So now we can see how easy and quite fast we can draw a simple house plan.